So, hello, everyone. We are here to show you how you can participate in the Fakra affiliate program. So, the Fakra affiliate program gives you the chance to get. Hello, everyone. We are here to show you how you, as a user on Fakra, can participate in the Fakra affiliate program. And the Fakra affiliate program just gives you 5% cash back anytime that anyone uses your code to shop on the app. If their products or if the vendor on the app has subscribed to use the Fakra affiliate program. The other thing is the person that you give your code to also gets a 5% discount. And these numbers we think are arbitrary numbers. And we hope that either the buyer is going to get a higher discount as time goes by, or the person who's sending out their code gets a higher cashback as well. But as of now, it's 5% cashback and 5% discount. So when you come to the Fakra app on your home screen, you go to refer and then uh, at the light green buttons that you see on the app. So you click on refer and then. So here, as we spoke to or we spoke about previously when we were doing the sign up videos, the user name that you use when you are creating an account becomes your affiliate or referral code. So right now we have Alberto as the referral code because the username for this user is Alberto. So we will copy the referral code here and we can share with people or we can hold on it as we Yep, long press here, and we can send this to our friends and our families as well. So, like, it depends on the app. I mean, the phone that you're using or device you're using. If it has WhatsApp and other platforms on there, it will pre-populate them and you just share with your people. Just tell them to come use your code when they shop on Fakra, and anytime that they use your code, you will get 5% cashback. So here we are going to use just a normal overview on an item. You can just share an item like this. Let's say, hey, come and just buy this silent symbol. You know, once you share the silent symbol with them, it will come with your affiliate code. So it's share and earn 5% cashback. So once you share, people can easily use your code. Then once they come on the product to pay and they put in your code, you will just get a 5% cashback. So if you remember, that was the process that we went through in the old or previous videos in the checkout process where you put a code there. So here, that user will just put Albedo and then boom, they will just get a 5% discount. And then once the transaction goes through, Alberto himself will also get 5% cashback. So let's go back to the refer and earn page where we are going to view balances. So here, this is your dashboard or this is your management system to see your balance. So we can click on view balance. So once you click on view balance, what you're going to see is you will see the balance that Alberto has as a this day. So you click on it and then it will send you to a page where you will see the amount, you will see the number of people Albedo has referred, and then you can just add your mobile money account to it if you're in Ghana or if you're in Africa, depending on the payment process that you want to receive your cash back from. I mean, you can also later shop with your cash back on the app, but right now you can just withdraw with mobile money Stripe. You just do your verification and you just get their money. So next time, I mean, as you go through it, as I said, you just go to the view the balance page and that will be it. And then you see the amounts you have there, you see the people you referred, you can withdraw with mobile money, you can withdraw with Stripe. It depends on, I mean, the verification process you chose, the place that you live at, and also how you want your money to be paid to you. So once you do that, then you can easily cash out anytime that anyone uses your code. So that's it, the refer and end program at Fakra. Every user is a part of it. I mean, so far as you create an account, you are a Fakra affiliate member, and you just go ahead to share your code, share your discount code with people, and you begin to earn whenever they shop with your code. So that's it for it. Right now, as I said, Fakra is still the number one e-commerce ecosystem builder in Africa. We are here to make sure that the systems are built in a way that is seamless and people really enjoy commerce anytime that they think about it. And our services always are fast, affordable, and reliable. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from Fakra to you. If you are living in the diaspora, Ghana, we send our greetings to you here from the team. So today we're going to go over how to track your orders on the Fakra app. So just as you've heard about Fakra, this is the number one e-commerce ecosystem in Africa. We are building a platform where commerce is made in an easier manner that is not convoluted and everyone can take part or take a share of the e-commerce pie in Africa and beyond. So Fakra allows you to buy from vendors overseas, suppliers, and you get the items just shipped to your doorstep in Ghana or to your warehouse or wherever you want the item to be shipped at, shipped to. The opposite is true. If you're living in the diaspora, you can buy wholesale from Fakra, or can you buy in a retail sense on the app, and it will be shipped to you or to your doorstep or to your warehouse in the diaspora if you're living in the US, UK, and all these other options will be added to the app very soon. So imagine you've purchased an item on the Fakra app. So how do I track my order? How can I find my items that I just bought? So here you go to the track orders button from the light green things, and here you see the orders. So here is a user that has bought a couple of items. So once you come to the order details page, once you click on the track orders, here will be the overview of what you bought. It will be the package, what it entails, if it has a fragile item or it doesn't. If you also chose a pickup or you chose to be delivered to your doorstep, and the delivery status, which is pending pickup over here, with this buyer who just bought an item that they want to pick up, and it's scheduled to be through air because that's the channel that they chose. So it will be delivered within 7 to 14 business days. By air, they chose not to have insurance and view all items, so we can view the items that they bought. Here are the items that they bought or the item that they bought, and we can go down and then we can see the pickup location where they want to pick the item from, either one of the Fakra hub spots or the spots in Ghana. So you can view the details here, and you see the item that the user bought or you bought over here. And once we go back, once the order has been delivered to you, right now we have order confirmed, meaning the order went through, the person made a payment, and Fakra is working to fulfill uh, the order for the person. So once the order gets to you, you can either come here and just click on the complete pickup, or it will be also clicked on by the Fakra team whenever the transaction is completed. So we can go back, and now we're going to look at the views. So here you can see an item that's already been completed. So we have an order confirmed, and you see the item was shipped and the item was delivered. So right now the user is excited, the user completed the shipment, and so that's what you do. Once your item has been shipped, you get an you get a notification, and you get the tracking for that as well. And once the item is delivered, you can click on complete delivery, or Fakra will complete the delivery for you once we know that the item has been delivered. So here, as you go forward, you'll be able to view your tracking details and all that too as well. So we can go back, and generally, that's how it's going to be. So we can click on the arrow just so you know you can sort it, you know, and just search the orders as well. So that's why we have the arrow here and then the three dots on the right by the arrow. We can go there as well at the far right corner. And here, if you want to see your cancel shipment or you want to refresh your page, there's that. So we've made sure that the process for tracking your orders are not cumbersome. They are seamless. And you come on the app and you can easily just track all your orders just in your hands, just in your palm. And you can see your total orders when you come to your profile page, where you can also access the dashboard or the view for tracking your orders. So e-commerce or commerce hasn't been this easier, simple, and also made to appease and make users really, really enjoy all the channels and the processes that they have to go through to get the item delivered to them. So let us know if you have any other thing that you want us to add, your complaints, and let us see the order that you bought. Tag us on social media at Fakra, and then we'll be able to see your reviews, and maybe you enter into our draw in winning one of our draw packages. So we said continuously shop with the app, share with your people, share with your loved ones, and we are here to make sure that we make this app as seamless as possible, the process very feasible, and that everyone will be able to either sell or buy without any hiccup. So as we always say, Fakra is here to make sure that you don't have any hassle when you want your items to be delivered to you or when you want to deliver an item to someone. And we are always fast, affordable, and reliable. So thank you. And we look forward to enjoying all these new things and this journey with you as well. Thank you.